Most of our products do not want any chemical near them, not Sunlight Liquid, none of your magic wishy-washy products. It's as simple as a mop and water, or maybe your pool broom and water. High pressure hose system is also 100% fine. As soon as a chemical touches some of our products, it just deteriorates the properties it has to protect itself from the sun and the natural elements. So in general, there is actually not a lot of maintenance. Some of our products require no maintenance, physically requiring us to come out to your site. But furthermore, mostly on our automated systems, yearly you can just contact us for a service and we'll just come in and inspect your system and tell you everything is looking fine, or we just need to come here more often. Some of the installations, like everything is custom, so sometimes we sit with a few challenges, and unfortunately that brings a lot of wear and tear to some of our products, but it's not very expensive and we know what we're doing, so it's easy for us to come out and assist you. The more effort you put in to do the little maintenance work, the further your cover will take you.